All right, today we're going to take a look at triangles. Triangles are shapes that are enclosed by three sides. All triangles have 180 degrees inside them. Then there are types of triangles. The first one's a right triangle because what do we know about a right angle? We know a right angle is 90 degrees and this triangle has a 90-degree angle, so it is a right triangle. Triangle number 2 is an equilateral triangle. These little marks on the side tell me that each side is the same length and an equilateral triangle has equal sides. Isosceles triangles have two equal sides. So these two little hash marks, because they're the same, they tell me that those sides are equal. Again, an isosceles triangle has two equal sides. A scalene triangle has three unequal side lengths. So this triangle shows you with the different tick marks on the sides here that none of the sides are equal, therefore it's a scalene triangle. We also have an obtuse triangle, which would have an obtuse angle, something larger than 90 degrees. Sometimes obtuse triangles can also be called, what do you think? Scalene. So this one happens to be a scalene obtuse triangle. The last triangle is not marked on the sides at all, so we can't classify it as one of these above. We can't say that it's scalene, that it's isosceles, equilateral, or right. We can only say that it's acute because all of its angles are less than 90 degrees. So we're going to take a look at some IXLs. The first one is going to be classifying triangles, W3. It says, what kind of triangle is this? Okay, so we have an angle that's 95 degrees, which makes it obtuse. What kind of triangle is this? It has a 90-degree angle in the corner, so it's a right triangle. What kind of triangle is this? Has two equal sides. So it is going to be isosceles, but not equilateral. Equilateral would mean it had three equal sides. Is this triangle equilateral? Are all of the angles the same measure? Okay, so if we have an equilateral triangle, which that might not quite look like one, all of the angles inside have to be 60 degrees. And you'll see why in the next IXL that we look at. But when you have an equilateral triangle, it means all angles and all sides are equal. So no. A triangle has an angle that measure 49, 32, and 99. So that 99 means it's larger than a right triangle. So it can't be equilateral because they're not all the same. Isosceles means they would have two equal sides. They're not two equal sides. It is scalene because there are three unequal sides. What kind of triangle is this one? It's not obtuse, it's not right, it is acute because all the angles are less than 90. This one has two equal sides, so it's isosceles. This one has two equal angles, which also means that this side and this side are also equal. So it means it's isosceles, but the question asks, is it equilateral? So no. A triangle has angles that are 74, 68, and 38. Is it acute? Are they all less than 90 degrees? Yes. All right, the next one we're going to take a look at is W9. Finding the missing angles. So if you remember back to those notes that we looked at, I said that all triangles have 180 degrees inside them. Okay, so that means that 55 plus 71 plus something else has to equal 180. So what's going to be the best way to solve for the missing angle? It's going to be to add 55 and 71, which is 126, not 128, 126, and we're going to subtract that from 180. Okay, and we get 54. So the missing angle is 54 degrees. Okay, we have 30 and 38, which is 68. So 180 minus 68. This one should be pretty easy, IXL. You're just going to be subtracting. That's 112. $90 plus 25 is 115. 180 minus 115 is 65. This IXL shouldn't take you very long at all. You're literally just subtracting the two angles they give you from 180 degrees. If you have questions, feel free to email me.